drive our golf cart around daily, so we drive it a lot. And we recently added some new accessories on and around the cart, including these universal retractable seat belts that we got in a 4-pack on Amazon. We installed these on our 4-seated E-Z-GO golf cart, and they have been the best thing that really give me a great peace of mind now. And as you can see, these stretch a wide width and they buckle in smooth and easy. And you don't have to drill holes in to attach them. Everything attaches very easily. We recently added both side mirrors and an awesome wide rear view mirror. And why we chose these ones over another style, it has been a game changer. Not only were they an easy install, but they have an all-around rotation for viewing any angle. You can easily tilt these in any direction and to suit any driver height. And it's also great to be able to turn them all the way in when we put on the cover at night. The buffer design makes sure you're not directly touching any part of the cart. And for our rear view mirror, this was the third one we tried because the first two were not a very clear mirror. But this one features a crisp, clear, shatterproof tempered glass. This arc-shaped back bracket made it an easy install, and we love that you can slide the mirror up and down for the best angle. E-Z-GO 4-seater golf cart that even has this rear safety grab bar that makes this cart even larger, and we can fit this cover over the entire thing with ease. It comes with a mesh storage bag, but we just fold it up into our deck bin most of the time, and we've been using this cover as our main storage for our cart for 2 years now, and it's been great. We love that all the buckles go across the front, the back, and even through the bottom to keep the zipper from pulling apart in the wind, and the buckles are easily adjustable. A really great feature also is this side door zipper for easy access back into the car. In case you leave something in there, you can easily access it, and this also makes it easy to access the charging port. It's made of a heavy-duty 500D polyester with waterproof undercoating. It has waterproof seam sealing tape that prevents every drop of water, which we can vouch for because this has sat out through at least 100 rains. It features the tear-resistant double stitching. It even has the double air vents on both sides to make it breathable and prevent overheating. If you can't tell, we have been utilizing this wheel clamp for 10 years. Honestly, it's the greatest option out there that actually works. We've used this for multiple tires from our 4-wheeler, mower, but most often our golf cart. Since we don't have a garage to store this in, this has been the next best option, and it's only removable with our key. This is made of a strong steel construction, and the arms are made of this soft PVC coating. It has the 9 adjustable hole sizes for different sized wheels. And it's an easy install. You just insert the key to pop it out, which releases the grip, and then twist it again to lock it up.